Open letter to Judge Michael W. Mosman, PepperCourt, U.S. District Court, Portland, re. Nichols v. City of Portland. Open letter to Michael W. Mosman. Dear Michael W. Mosman, I really like you. If you don't understand this letter, please forward it to your daughter, the Wikipedia biographer favorite. She might understand. You see, a laptop for every child was just the beginning. With a laptop for every pepper spray victim, we could turn your pepper spray court into a tweeting super machine for the NSA's big database. And while I know Portland wants to perpetuate the illusion that there is rule of law in Oregon as long as possible, banning laptops in court will only gag the menacing news for a time. We could black box the pepper spray courts and prohibit OccuPepper text PDFs all day, but the need for a staff of full-time multilingual judicial tweeters is now. You folk are sitting on this high-rise Justice Center all day in sublime air conditioning all summer as most of Oregon burns, and it seems at the very least you could ask your sweet teddy bear court marshals not to bully the bloggers. See, the blogosphere is nothing to fear if you have nothing to hide, and you seem like a decent and honorable chap, and in honor of a great American company, Twitter, I suggest you employ a new body of Generation Y and X to tweet from the courtroom so we can have an international audience for our pepper spray gospel. You could even pay us, but I know your generation isn't like that. So if that seems a little missionary or US aid from me, I just don't understand how Portland police are teaching Bangladesh police a thing about pepper spraying women down the throat if the internet court reporters are gagged and bound by archaic technologies like stone and papyrus all the time. The worst that could happen is a little hashtag here and there, like rule of law or Portland police brutality. It's not like free speech ever spoiled the Constitution's vellum e-court tweeters Earl Grey break. I mean, for crying out loud, in 5 years can we please at least use your damn greedy internet wireless signal in the lobby, if not the courtroom at least? I presume you're not trying to scare away the kids with the anti-internetness or the pepper spray deep throat, are you? We just wanted the keys to the summer dasha, if you please, and we want to show you how smart and techy we are, if under-monetized. And in lieu of paying us bitcoins, we could call it the International Twitter e-court of public opinion. But we would never confuse a Twitter lawyer for the real thing, and hope you're amenable. It would promote such expansion of digital legal literacy. The gift to society would be immense. When I attempted to confirm that laptops are prohibited via your court director, I was in no way trying to violate the court rules, which may be on the internet somewhere. If you would allow me to look it up on my laptop and let me have access to your internets, please. Anyway, I thought we were on a coffee break or a yoga break anyway, due to the total silence and lull. Also, BTW, none of your boy court clerks should grab at female citizens, no matter what crime of legal enthusiasm and combination offense use of word processing text editor has occurred in their enthusiastic mind. If your underlings must stick it out with vellum and quill much longer, how much harder will it be to improve your Google indexing with a great blog written from the courtroom called OccuPepper Deep Throat or some such thing? By the way, you're pretty fly, tell the missus, but my heart belongs to so-and-so and so-and-so. This is by no means meant to turn the tables on the male-dominated U.S. District Court by sexually harassing a judge via pepper spray or sheer flattery. It is my finding that policemen and non-policemen, lawyers and non-lawyers alike, should all engage in only consensual, gender-balanced pepper spray. And if one wishes for consensual cross-gender pepper spray, one should have it in writing and get 2 medical references first. Please reconsider the mandatory digital illiteracy in light of the current ongoing world revolution. Yours, Mary Yang, food blogger and author of the forthcoming Cooking with Pepper Spray. P.S. Jeff McDaniels should teach how to pepper spray your rapist classes to young women until the end of time, and then maybe the NLG will lowball him even extra as some kind of Twitter DA civil criminal shake-up turnaround. Cool? And Paisley, I'm just not sure what's the deal with her pulling hair and crushing ladies' throats with her baton. Anyway, maybe Twitter could sort out an answer to that riddle.